In this video, I'm going to reveal a groundbreaking method and niche that can make you over $10,000 a month by creating TikTok videos using just AI. Welcome back, everyone. Today, you're about to capitalize on an immense opportunity to use the power of AI for impressive financial gains. This method actually requires absolutely no editing skills and cuts out the hours typically spent crafting monetizable content. And in this video, you'll discover how to easily produce your own videos for free in just a few minutes. Imagine leaving your boring 9-to-5 job behind and embracing the dream lifestyle you've always envisioned. Well, it's not just a distant dream anymore. With a bit of dedication and by following the exact steps I'm about to share, you're sure to be on the path towards financial freedom sooner than you think. But that's not all. Stay tuned until the end of this video, where I'll reveal a super fast secret application that is going to accelerate your creation process and growth, potentially boosting your earnings within just 30 days. Before we get into the details, make sure to activate the notifications bell. This will ensure you don't miss out on our upcoming weekly content, which is your gateway to achieving financial independence in the near future. Have you heard of the What If niche? It's popularized by the YouTube channel What If, known for exploring fascinating hypothetical scenarios. They delve into questions like, what if giant insects never went extinct? Or what if you were followed by a whale? With around 8 million subscribers and 1.2k videos, their success is immense. For instance, their videos explore scenarios like, what if Uranus collided with Earth? Or what if we domesticated dinosaurs? This engaging content draws millions of views. In this video, we'll explore how you can create similar content, not just on YouTube, but also on the world-famous platform TikTok. TikTok has a channel called Facts Factory with 184k followers and 4 billion video likes, also exploring what-if scenarios. Another channel, What If Show, has 2.3 million followers. These channels demonstrate that there's still room to capitalize on this niche. Now let's discuss the monetization potential. Channels like these can earn a substantial income. For example, with 8.65 million views in the last 30 days, What If likely earns over $30,000 from YouTube. But let's focus on TikTok, where the TikTok Creativity Program Beta offers more favorable RPM rates. For videos over 1 minute long, TikTok pays around $2 to $3 per thousand views. So if you get 5 million views a month, you could easily earn about $10,000. So to create your own video, go to chatgpt.com and type generate 10 what if YouTube short scripts with each containing at least 140 words. Once done, you'll see 10 scripts generated. There's no limit to how many you can request. After selecting a script, head to 11 Labs for a voiceover. If you have an account, log in. If not, sign up. Once in the speech section, paste the script and click Generate Speech. I recommend using the voice of Liam as it suits the atmosphere. Once generated, download the voiceover. Next, go to CapCut.com. If you don't have a CapCut account, create one. Once logged in, click Create New, then choose the 9:16 format, suitable for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. Upload your voiceover under the Media section. Then, go to Elements and type in keywords for the images you want to include in your video. I suggest creating a Google document to paste the script and list the different visual elements you'd like to highlight. Copy each element one by one and enter them in CapCut's Elements section, where you can find stock videos or images for free. Once done, you can then go to Audio and add background music. Make sure your video is just over 60 seconds, ideally around 1 minute and 1 second, but below 1 minute and 5 seconds. Finally, export your video. This method is 100% free to use and can be used if you are a beginner with no budget. But soon you'll realize that it takes a while to compile the footage and create a video even after getting AI to generate the script for you. So let me now reveal the secret method I promised at the beginning of the video, which is also gonna save loads of your valuable time in the process. This secret application is called SmartShot. Although it's new to the market, it's an effective tool for creating realistic AI-generated videos that are nearly indistinguishable from human-made content. I'll include a link in the description and a pinned comment for easy access. Using my link, you'll receive an additional discount. Please note, this is a paid method for those who want to expedite their process, and I recommend using this software to make your YouTube journey quicker and more efficient. To get started, go to SmartShot and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll land on a page with various features. You'll once again need to copy your script from ChatGPT to demonstrate on this site. You'll find inbuilt templates for various types of stories: motivational, bedtime, historical, and more. You can select one and click Generate for stories on these topics. However, for our niche, click Use Script. Paste your script here and click Next. Choose a suitable voiceover. I recommend Onyx as it fits this context well. Leave the settings as default, but ensure you select one footage every 2 seconds for higher engagement. Also, activate transitions, sound effects, silence removal, and animated footage options to enhance the video's quality. Click Start, and the application will generate your video. This process might take some time, so be patient. Once the video is ready, you can preview it to see how it looks.
Imagine if time travel were possible. Would you go back in time to witness pivotal historical events, or visit the future to see how humanity progresses and evolves? The possibilities are endless, but so are the potential consequences.
The application has generated a highly interactive and engaging video. On the left, you can adjust individual elements if needed, edit text, add new content, adjust style, footage, or music. Once satisfied, click Pay and Download to access multiple videos. This method speeds up your content creation process. For those interested, this is a great way to enhance your video production efficiency. Also, for those of you outside the US, you might be concerned about the requirement for a US-based account to access the creativity program. Don't worry, as I've got you covered. Thanks to a service called Gen6 Media, you can easily obtain an authentic TikTok account from various countries, including the US, France, Germany, Korea, Japan, and the UK. This means you can bypass location restrictions and seamlessly join the revenue program. So if you are located out of the mentioned countries, to get started, simply follow the link in the description and the pinned comment below. Plus, the first 50 people who use my link and enter the coupon code will receive an additional 10% discount. If you're eager to take advantage of the method I've shared and begin living the lifestyle of your dreams, securing a legitimate US TikTok account through this offer is a smart move. It's a one-time investment that could lead to substantial monthly earnings, and I'm pretty sure this amount could be recovered within just a day's earning once you get going. I'm also going to reveal an additional tip for you who watched the video until the end, since I admire your commitment and am sure that you are an action taker. So, to boost your progress, ensure that you upload at least one video daily for the next 30 days to gain recognition from the TikTok algorithm, which will enhance your reach and views. By following these steps and replicating successful content, you'll be well on your way to achieving the views and followers needed to join the TikTok creativity program within just 1 month. And that's it for today's video. If you found the content helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable updates. I'll be back soon with another exciting video.